Welcome to Boeing Future of Flight in the United States, where innovation in aviation begins on a massive scale. Inside the facility, skilled workers and advanced machinery operate together in one of the world's largest aircraft assembly environments. Every panel, bolt, and structural component is installed with precision, ensuring strength, safety, and long-term performance. Massive aircraft sections are carefully lifted and aligned, guided by experienced teams coordinating every movement. Before completion, each aircraft undergoes detailed inspection, reflecting Boeing's commitment to quality, engineering excellence, and the future of flight.